welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I really hope this video will be helpful. The reason why I wanted to do this video is because when I was a beginner, I bought a whole lot of brushes, a whole lot, because every other person was doing it, and where I did my makeup training, everybody had like brush sets, and I was like, okay, let me buy mine too. And I just wasted a whole lot of money buying brushes that I didn't even know how to use. With time, I realized that you can get a flawless beat with just few brushes, and I now understood that most of the brushes that I had, that I could actually use them, but I didn't know how to use them. So this video is to show you how to use your brushes, and just few brushes that you need, so that when you go for brush shopping, you can be able to buy exactly what you need with the help of this video. Now, thank you guys for tuning in again. I really appreciate the support I've been getting from you guys, the likes, the shares, the comments, the subscription. Ooh, we're like 100 subscribers now. So thank you guys for watching, and if this is something you'll be interested in, which I'm sure you'll be interested in it, thank you for watching. So guys, the first thing I do is to use a spoolie brush to brush my brows up so that it will be easy for me to draw my brows. And I have a detailed brow tutorial which I'll link above for you guys to see, because I won't be doing my brows in details here. I'm just going to show you about the brushes I use instead. Then I'll be using this angled precision brush to conceal my brows. You can see the shape of the brush. It's easier to use this kind of brush because it leads you towards the direction of your brow.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. I can fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Next, I'll be going in with a primer. You don't need a brush to apply primer. I mean, for me, I don't need a brush to apply primer. I just use my hands to blend it out. For foundation, I'll be using this flat top stippling brush. This makes it so easy to blend out your foundation with. And also, I'll be using a beauty blender, actually a beauty sponge. I'll be using the both of them to show you that you can actually get a very nice coverage either with brush or with beauty sponge.
Cause you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, and we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. done. Take a bow, you win. Oh.
As you can see, they're both blended in pretty well. I use the brush whenever I want to achieve a full coverage look, and then I use the beauty blender when I'm going for a more natural or medium coverage look.
Me in, just me, just you. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
I'll be using the clean side of the beauty sponge that I used in blending out my foundation to blend out my concealer. For me, I prefer to use the beauty sponge than to use a brush, but a lot of people use brush too. But for me, beauty blenders or beauty sponges are easier for me whenever I'm blending out my concealer. And guys, I have a detailed foundation routine and contour routine on my channel. I'm going to leave the link up there for you to click on when you're done watching this video. I'll also leave the link of the eyebrow tutorial and foundation tutorial in my description box, so you can check it out anytime you want.
The moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
For my setting powder, I'm going to use this brush to set one side of my face, and then going with a beauty blender to set the other side. On a normal day, I usually go in with a beauty blender, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the both of them so that you can see that you can apply setting powder with either your brush or your beauty blender.
Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? And we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you. Lost in the moment.
For my powder, I'll be using this fluffy powder brush to apply my pressed powder all over my face.
Lost in the moment.
As you can see, I'm only applying powder to the places where I didn't set with the setting powder, and then I'm going to dust off the excess powder on the brush and then set the whole of my face.
Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again?
For the purpose of this video, I'll be doing just a powder contour, and this is an angled contour brush. You can see the way it's shaped. It's for easy contour application.
Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Pacing back and forth.
Then for the nose, I'm going to use the same brush, but this time I'm going to make it look tiny. I mean, you can go in with a smaller brush, but this is for the purpose of this video though, so that you can see I can use one brush and do virtually everything. Not really everything, but you can use one brush for your cheeks, and then you can use the same brush for your nose.
Skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you. Lost in the moment.
I went back in with a powder brush to blend in everything together so that the look will be seamless.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time.
Going back in with the same brush I used to set my concealer, I'm going to use it to apply blush on my cheeks.
Holding me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? And we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you. Lost in the moment.
Guys, I love music. I'm always playing music at the background whenever I'm doing my makeup. I'm going to use the same brush to apply highlights on my cheekbone.
Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all?
For the purpose of this video, I'll be doing a very simple eyeshadow look, and I'll be using just two brushes, one flat brush and then one fluffy blending brush. As you can see, I'm using the flat brush to pack on the eyeshadow on my lid.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored.
Then I'll be using the fluffy blending brush to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow that I applied, just so that the look will be amazing. Guys, just take your time in blending out the eyeshadow because you don't want to have harsh lines at the end of the day.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide. It keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all?
I'll be using the same brush to blend the eyeshadow on my bottom lash line.
Take me in, just me, just you. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
Bang! Nice, right? After I use my setting spray, I go in with my beauty blender to blend everything all in. I feel like this makes my makeup last all day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! My attempt to get a thumbnail